Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Solaris Spa and last but not least, Sir Men's Salon. Thank you to both of our proud sponsors to make this video possible. Let's get right into the video. These are a special pair of shears. These are the Mizutani. These are actually going to be the Acro crossovers to Sami Act 1s. And they're made by Mizutani. Look, I'm going to open the box for you. I want you to really see them. Look at this. So look, this is how they come. These are the Acro crossover to Sami in shiny gold. And watch, look at this. This is how they come, packaged nice. This is like an orange velvet, guys. And then they come like that. This shear has been crafted for both blunt as well as dry cutting, 100% handmade from start to finish. You'll love these whether you're a barber or a stylist. Each marketing that you see each mark that has been put there is a strike by the hammer. I'm going to show you that. Look, these come out just by popping this. So look at this. Each marking right there, each marking was created with a hammer, guys. Due to the high skill set necessary to execute techniques to create this shear without flaw, some steps of the manufacturing process are entrusted to only the most skilled craftsmen in the factory. So only the most skilled craftsmen in the factory in Japan and Tokyo are able to make these. These are the scissors, guys. These are very special. These ones right here are going to be in a 6.2. There's the signification, handmade in Japan. It says Mizutani right here on the blade. And then you go ahead and open the scissor up. It's going to say nano powdered metal. And then this bad boy is going to have a serial number on the inside of the blade. These are very awesome. The blade, as you can see from looking at the top, has a slight curve to it. Total composition, the handle configuration enables power. The offset handle combined with weight of the blade results an unmistakably straight line when cutting hair. Yes, it does. Look at that. That's what they mean right here. Just the way the holding of this part of this handle is. And then coming here, just very ultra straight. You can see how this blade just stays straight. And I'm just cutting with this blade. So yes, it does. Shout out to Miles. They have a lefty available. If you want to order them from me, come and get them from me. I'll sell them to you. These are the scissors, Tusami Act 1s. What is the difference between the Tusami Act 1 and Act 2s? And we'll get to the price later in the video. What are the difference between the Tusami Act 1s and the Act 2s? The Act 1s have a wider finger grip right here. I believe they're made for more the American hand. And the Tusami Act 2s have a smaller grip here, maybe for a woman or a smaller man's hand. But I mean, I have an average size hand. Mine might be slightly above, but it's an average size hand. And it fits just perfect in these. You could even have a bigger hand. You could possibly even have a smaller hand. If you're a woman, maybe go with the Act 2s. Give me a ring and let me know, and I'll put you in the right ones. Look at this. Look at the case that they come in, guys. They have these little orange sheaths. They're just so cool. Look at that. Just to give a quick shout out to this guy, Clout Jewelers. He made our logo, yellow diamonds, regular diamonds, and it just came out really good. And that's it. So guys, the scissors, these ones are really, really good. These ones are great, and I would highly recommend them in a 6.2 or a 6.7. If you want to have them in a 6.7 and you're doing a ton of shear over comb, you can get them in that. If you want to just cut, bigger lengths of hair quicker, 6.7. I like the 6.2 because you can get a little bit more direction on them. But I would either do the 6.2 or the 6.5 or the 6.7. Let's see what they have these sizes in real quick. Look, guys, I'll go with you and see. I'm on. So, guys, they have them in a 5.7. So if you want like a smaller shear, you could get them in a 5.7. That's cool. They have them in a 6.2, which I have them in. And I guess they do not have them in a 6.5. That's why I wasn't saying that in the beginning. There's 6.2 or 6.7, or you can go into the 5.7. So if they're a crossover shear, guys. So if you're a woman that wants to cut hair, that wants to have some barbering shear, that you maybe cut women and men, get into these. They cut an ultra straight line. They're super elite, and they have them in your 5.7. You don't want a 5-inch shear. I mean, so I'm just saying 5.7 is the smallest I would ever really want to go. So yeah, guys, these are the scissors. And I have a very big collection of these scissors, so I'm going to be showing you a lot of scissors. You guys, here's the cost of them. They're $1,400. Just to get that knocked right out of the way. That way I didn't jip you on that. The cost of them is $1,400. I'm going to also show you one other thing real quick. Well, I'm going to do it like this. These are, I'm going to make these in a video. These are one of the pair of shears that I use every single day. Look out for the videos that'll be published, and I'm definitely going to publish these in a video soon. And hey guys, awesome. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That helps. We're going to go to the top either way. But for all the guys that have really been there from the beginning, I really thank you and appreciate you. These are the best scissors in the world. If anyone wants to buy them in the Albuquerque area, come and see me, and I would love to sell you a pair. And have a good day, guys.